So, what just happened? He just got killed by 0 views. I'm about to save you from becoming that YouTuber. A YouTuber who posts every day, who begs people to subscribe in the caption, in the description, in the title, and in the video. Who has 47 views and 12 of them are family members being polite to help a brother or sister out. I don't want that for you anymore. So in this video, I'm giving you the real reasons your views are stuck. And it is not the reason your favorite YouTuber told you in the other video. Don't scroll. Your family can only pretend to be proud of you for so long. So without hiding anything from you, let's be honest for a second. You have watched at least one video titled 3 secret tricks YouTube doesn't want you to know, right? And walked away with nothing. Because YouTube doesn't have secret, it has math. And most creators lost at that math before the video even starts. Because they are solving the wrong problems. They think the problem is, I need more views. That is not the problem, that is a wish. That is like saying, I need to be rich instead of I need a job. You cannot be rich by just saying it. I need to be rich! Doctor, go and treat him. I only blow his arm. So today we are fixing the actual problem underneath the wish. Buckle up, bring snacks. This one is going to sting a little. Here's the first hard truth. Low view videos are not bad videos. They are just personal diaries entries with a thumbnail. I will explain. You are not thinking, what does a stranger scrolling at 12 a.m. actually want? What do they actually want to know? What do they actually want to learn? Instead, you are thinking, what do I feel like saying today? So you are not making video for people, you are making video for yourself. Completely different audience. One of them is you. The other one is literally everybody else on the internet. So quick test. Go look at your last video title. If it sounds like something you would test a friend, that is a diary entry. But if it sounds like a question a stranger typed into Google at 2 a.m. in a panic, that is the video. Look at these titles. My week vlog diary entry and why I almost quit YouTube at 200 views. You see the difference? One is for you and one is for them. Second reason, and I will say this one with love from my heart. Your thumbnail looked like it was made by someone being held at gunpoint to finish it in 30 seconds. Are you gonna edit the thumbnail now? I'm doing it. I should blow off your skull. I'm doing it. I'll finish it. I'll finish it soon. In the next 30 seconds, finish it up. I'll finish it right now. Here is the result. I'm not talking about the design skills. I'm talking about honesty. Some thumbnails screamed shocking over a video that is, in fact, extremely not shocking. Some thumbnail will be like this. You will not believe that they will place this thumbnail on a psychology video. A psychology of people who don't have views. They will put this thumbnail on the video. How is it relatable? And YouTube notice, if people click your video expecting fireworks and get a birthday candle, they will leave in 0.1 second. And that tells the algorithm, don't show this video to anyone else. This guy is lying. Bam. Your thumbnail's only job is to tell the truth in the most interesting way possible. Not the loudest way, the truest, most interesting way. That is the big difference. Third reason, and this one is the funniest because everyone does it. You are treating the algorithm like an enemy. Like an enemy you need to trick. Instead of a picky date you need to impress, you are fighting the algorithm instead of dating it. You wouldn't show up to a first date and go. So, are you going to like me or not? Answer that now. That is what keyword stuffing your title does. That is what buying views does. It is desperate. The algorithm can smell it. And just like a real date, it leaves. What actually works is showing up consistent, interesting, and a little mysterious. Same time, same energy, same you. The algorithm doesn't fall for trick. It falls for pattern it can trust. Here's the last one, which is reason number 4. The one that actually kills more channel than all the others combined. You are judging your channel's future based on your last 10 worst videos. Nobody's first 10 videos are good, not even the huge channels you watch either. Go check their earliest uploads. It is genuinely hilarious how bad some of them are. Bad lighting, awkward pauses. One guy's entire first video is just him explaining he doesn't even know how to end a video. Don't even think of the channel having 100,000 subscribers with just 7 videos. If they tell you what they did, the effort they put in, how much money they put in, you will delete your YouTube channel. You would be scared to even start a YouTube channel. The difference between them and people who quit at video 8 is that they kept going until video 40. That is it. That is the secret nobody wants to hear because it's not exciting. It is just more reps. So here is your actual formula, no fluff. Make it about a stranger, not you. Make your thumbnail tells the truth in an interesting way. Show up consistently instead of desperate, and post enough videos that you can get good before you decide whether you are good. Viewers aren't the goals. Views are what happens after you fix those 4 things. And stop checking your analytics every 20 minutes like it is a pregnant test. If this video helped you, subscribe. Not because I'm begging for subscriber, but because you actually got something out of this video, which, let's be honest, is rare on this app. And if you want to know exactly how to fix that thumbnail we talked about, that is the next video on your screen right now. Hi, it's your ham dude.